Corsair's newest gaming keyboard, the K95 RGB Platinum mechanical keyboard, is the mother of all gaming keyboards. Corsair already has a stellar reputation for making gaming keyboards, as almost every version of the K70 mechanical keyboard has set the standard for PC gaming since it first launched over half a decade ago. This new version of the K95 is Corsair's latest and greatest, taking up a higher price point and featuring brand new RGB technology. Each key is backlit individually using Corsair's Light Edge, delivering dynamic and vibrant lighting effects with more customization options than we could even count, even if we tried. It has an RGB strip on the keyboard's border too, and who doesn't like more RGB? The real magic of the K95 RGB Platinum is in its hardware. It's built on an aircraft-grade anodized aluminum frame, which means it's built to withstand rigorous gaming and typing for a lifetime, despite being extremely lightweight. The keyboard's Cherry MX RGB mechanical switches come with the industry standard for top-tier gaming of 100% anti-ghosting and full key rollover. In other words, it's fast and incredibly accurate. Pick up your own Corsair K95 RGB Platinum mechanical keyboard by visiting the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you right back here soon.